picked up the copper, and we use these metal shears. Last phase of what I was doing, I needed some great countertops to set this whole place off. I looked at butcher block, quartz, granite, even pouring concrete. Didn't like any of it. Wasn't enough character. I'm a Pinterest nerd, so I got on Pinterest, I started looking around, found the perfect solution. You're not gonna believe how all this came about. It was a shot in the dark. So the solution that I found was copper countertops. I'm gonna show you some of the samples that they sent me. You can go to their website and you can order a patina sheet sample pack. This right here is the Rojo. This one is Azul. This one here is the Rojo Black. This one is Mottled Mystic Topaz. Autumn. This is a hammered version that they have. Enchantment. Light Distressed. This is the different thicknesses. This is a 5mm. This is a 10. This is a 16mm. And this is a 22mm. Me and Harold riding up to get the package from Basic Copper. Just picked up the copper and got it in the back of the truck. Pretty big old box, but we're good to go. We're gonna get this thing going. Looks pretty awesome though, huh? Yep. That's what the back looks like on it. I wonder how they do that. We use these metal shears that you can attach to a drill. You can pick it up at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is a Milwaukee brand. But looking back on it, I would probably just get the aluminum hand shears that are like big scissors. It'll probably give you a cleaner cut. Get you some liquid nails. It's easier if you do it with liquid nails because it doesn't set up so fast. And get you this little masonry tool right here. So while I was putting the adhesive on, Harold was refining the bend that we had hand bent. The one thing I did do is I went to Michael's and I bought some of these little paints here. I wanted to kind of touch up and kind of hide some of the scratches and imperfections that we made in it whenever we were cutting it and stuff. Pick yourself up one of these multi-mix little containers. For this particular finish, it's 3 parts to 1. The finish that we chose was a satin. It's a 2-part. This is called Everclear. It's from a company called Sculpt Nouveau. First coat right there. That looks awesome. That finish really brings out the patina here. So that should about wrap it up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the end result of the copper countertops. Before I go, I want to thank Basic Copper for hooking us up with a great deal. And I'm building some more tiny little crooked houses, fairy tale house looking things out here in eastern Kentucky, right out near the Red River Gorge and Daniel Boone National Forest. If you like that sort of thing, make it up as you go, which is what I do. I don't have a blueprint for any of this stuff. I just make it all up. If you like that sort of thing, subscribe. This might work. You need a facelift. We need to get you some work done. Why are you standing on me? All right, buddy, watch out. Get off of me. Oh, it's a good thing you're not heavy.